Ma'am.
Good morning.
Madam.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
I got that answer. You said that why we write for 1 1 first and after then 1 0 in K, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
That is Gray
Who
code
got
logic.
the answer? Yes. What is the answer?
Actually,
It is due to
we
the
need to always we need to keep one bit difference. Actually, if we put 1 0 before then 1 1, then it will be 2-bit difference. So we just normally swipe that. So to get 1 bit difference. Nothing
that
else.
is the Gray code logic. That's the
Yes.
thing.
Gray code is a code where the previous and the next number will have only 1 bit's difference. So suppose this is 000. Now, if you want to make 001, how many bit difference it is? It is 1 bit. Now, from 1, if you want to make 2, then how many bit difference it is? 001, 001, and 010. So you have to, switch off this 1 here. इसको 0 करना पड़ेगा और इसको 1. There are 2 differences. So when you switch off 2 switches, meanwhile, in between, there is one more combination. Just imagine, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1. Binary, number of 1, equivalent to 1. तो उसको क्या करना है? 0 1 0 करना है, 2 करना है, right? So here जो 0 है उसको 1 करना है, and here that 1 we have to make a 0. So there are 2 changes. So you cannot change 2 switches at a time. You can change only 1 switch. So the moment you press 1 switch, there is one other number which is not 2. It is something else. So that is why from 1 we are going to 3. Now check. 0 0 1. This is 1. 3 is what? 0 1
0
1.
1 1.
So you have to change only the middle bit. So switch on है off है उसको on कर दो तो it will become 3. So there is only 1 bit difference between 1 and 3. That's why we are going from 1 to 3 and not 2. That is the reason. This code is called gray code. Okay, gray code is a code where each number has only 1 bit difference between each other. Yes. So now shall we continue? Others are not joining yet. What happened? Only 17 participants and 2 to Trishna madams are there. Double roll today. Okay. No worries. We will start because it is already 3 minutes. We have 40-minute class and we almost use 10 minutes in this coming, going, waiting, and kaun aaya, kaun nahi aaya. I will quickly start sharing the screen and I will open that same Word file. I have joined with 2 IDs today because in one ID I want to use the touch screen, that mode. That's why, if we need. Otherwise, we will be good with that Word file only. So 3 variable K-map we were discussing. Yes?
Yes.
So let's continue. We'll discuss 3 variable K-map SOP, then POS, then 4 variable SOP, 4 variable POS. So we have a lot of things to discuss.
Yeah.
So, yes. Share screen. File. Okay. So we were here. Or somewhere here. Anyone who did not understand this, they can raise hand so that we can.
I not understood, ma'am.
Who?
Dhara.
Dhara. What? Tell me. Problem.
Madam, I also did not
Problem.
understand.
Madam, this upside we are writing 0001. That should be like same only, or we can interchange.
You cannot change. This is 0 0. Why? B का value क्या है? 0. C का value क्या है? 0. So this place becomes what? 000. This is 0 1. This is 0 1 and this is 0. A is 0. So what it will become? 0 0 1. You understand this 0 0 1 कहाँ से आया? A इधर से आया. A. Here A is 0 and here in the second row A is 1. Okay. So that 0 you take and this 0 1 you add from here. So So what it becomes? 0, 0, 1. So actually this is the decimal form 1. So this place value is 1. Now here there is 3. What we are discussing is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Hmm.
Do you understand? So now this
Yes,
3,
yes.
what is the binary form of 3?
0 1 1.
So ये 0, 1, 1 from where we are getting? We are getting 0 from here. A का value is 0 here, and here there is 1, 1. So 1, 1 means what? B is positive and C is positive. That is 1, 1. That's why here see.
Yes.
But A bar, why A bar? Because value of A is 0. See, in the whole row value of A is 0. Have you realized that? See,
Yeah.
here also.
And down.
Because that first
Here
row
also.
is 0.
Here also. And here it is A only. Why? Because value of A is
1.
It's like a
One.
matrix. This is like a matrix. So that is why. Here binary form of 6 is 1, 1, 0. 1, 0 is coming from here. 1 is coming from value of A. Okay, so we have made the minterm for the equation also. Here I have written everything that you require. First the binary value of that place, then the decimal value of that place, then the binary representation of that place, and then the term which we have made with the help of this. So we have done everything that we require to make a 3 variable SOP. Don't worry, you have confusion. I will make POS and then I don't think you will have any problem. Let me share another screen with you. I will draw on my own, so I don't think you will have any problem. Okay, so let me share. Okay, I will have to stop this share. Okay, share. Now I will share the screen.
Shauna.
Now you can see. Wait, I'm going to draw something here. Okay. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay, great. I want to draw. So see, I will draw this here. Now you will have to manage with my poor drawing because I'm not, a good. Okay. So this is, see, this is how we write A. This is B and C. So this whole thing represents B dot C.
BC.
This thing represents A. Okay. So the value of A here was 0 or 1.
0.
0.
This is actually A bar and this is actually A. Now here what was it? It was 0, 0. This was
Then
0, 1.
0 1.
0 1
This is
1
1, 1.
1 1
And this is
1
1
0.
0.
Basically this place becomes 0 यहाँ से आया, 1 1 यहाँ से आया. So this place becomes
0 0
0.
0.
and what is the representation of 0 0 0?
A bar, B bar,
A
C
bar,
bar.
C bar.
Now here it is 0 0 1.
0 1.
A dash B dash C.
Yes, A dash, B dash,
B dash.
and C. Here it becomes 0
A dash B C.
1 1.
Here it is 0 1 0.
A dash B.
Yes. So here it is A bar B C.
BC.
Here it is A bar B C bar.
B
Yes.
C
Now
bar.
if you realize this place, let me erase something for you. This place has become B bar C bar. Check.
Yes.
This place has become B bar C. This place is B C. And this place is B C bar.
B C bar.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's go here. This is what? 1 यहाँ से आया. and this is 0 0. You understand why 0 0? B bar C bar. Here 1 0 1. Why 0 1? B bar C. Here 1 1 तो है ही.
1 1.
Here B C is 1 1. B
Yeah.
C bar is 1 0. Do you understand? So what is the binary
Yes.
representation of this? This is 4. This is 5. This is 6 and this is 7. This is
Understood.
not very difficult to understand. Now convert these terms to its min term. So min term for this is A, B
B
bar.
bar, C
bar, C bar.
Do you realize that all will start with A only? The way ऊपर सब A bar था.
हाँ.
Yes, here all A. Then here B bar. B
C.
B bar. This is your 3 variable K map for SOP. Now any problem, Dhara?
No, no.
No.
Don't worry, see, you will have to make a lot of K maps. And this thing is basic. Without writing this thing, you will not be able to solve a single program. So just imagine 50 times if you write this, it will go in your mind. You will have to
program
remember
में
this,
कैसे आएगा?
don't worry. See, I'm not teaching you that mugging up wala method. Otherwise, I could have told you 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You remember and then write how it comes, we don't know. But I'm not teaching that method at all because I never want my students to mug up anything. I'm giving you an explanation that why, for what we are writing and how it comes to this conclusion.
Ma'am.
Now,
Like this already
now
we have
anyone
tried.
has problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. Show me your face. Who is that? Yes. Till then I'll
Real.
come. Yes, my
Ma'am,
dear.
if we take AB and then C separate, then also answer will come same or different.
What?
If we take variable AB together and C separate, then also
But
answer will come
never
same.
do that. Never experiment with this. Let me tell you, when I will teach you 4 variable K map, on the rows we will have AB, in the columns we will have C. If you replace this two, answer will be different.
Good morning.
You cannot change the order of the variables ever. Never try that.
I'm not able to understand. Background noise is very much.
Who is this?
But why nobody understands that you should, Chalo, mute all. Why you are not able to understand that if your brother is coming and fighting with you, tell him कि भाई time pass नहीं चल रहा है, Trishna madam है. Shaunak, I think it was Shaunak's brother or whose brother? Raise hand. Bhaichara. Where is Shaunak? Oh, Shaunak has not come only to the meeting. My God, and I'm blaming him. How come? Who is absent? Dhwani. Dhwani is here. Then who is absent? Let me unmute you all, not a problem. Anyway, we are not studying for.
Ma'am, Shaunak is there.
Yeah, he's there.
हाँ, तो Shaunak
But he has not been-
करे से तो you cannot tell him
his
कि भाई
video.
शांति रख.
Ma'am, Siddharth is not there.
Siddharth, and then someone else also, because 2 IDs are
Whom
mine.
is that?
There are only 20.
Ayush is left.
Yes,
Ayush is-
Ayush came just now.
Ayush is
left.
there.
Supreme
He came and left.
he is not here.
He came and left again. No.
Again came now.
Okay,
Nah,
so
he
I
came
will
to-
mute you all because you don't have any common sense that we should control our siblings from talking, and that Mahabharata and Ramayana also we should close the door. So I will mute you all. Don't speak anything. At the end, if you have any doubt, we will discuss. Chalo, bas. Okay. So we have made an SOP 3 variable. Don't change the order. This is the first and the most important, instruction that I can give. Now again, Raise hand if you like that drawing method. Then I can follow that only. Word file or drawing method? Raise hand, drawing method. Okay, only two are raising hand. Okay, Jeet and Dave and Dara. Okay, so I'm going to draw again. So I will share screen. Share screen. Allow. Here. Okay, so I will use another map plus drawing. Chalo, now I will draw three variable POS. Okay, so because I think this will work. Okay, it works. Okay, it works. Sorry for my poor handwriting. Again, I can't do anything about it. You will have to bear with this. Here A, here B and C. What I'm trying to say is don't change the name of the variable. You cannot write AB here and C there. Shaunak to everyone, it's okay. Kya okay hai bhai? What is okay? It is not okay. Okay. So for POS, everything will change except the number of the place. So number remains same. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now convert this to its binary form. So it is 0, 0, 0. This is 0, 0, 1. This is 0, 1, 1. This is 0, 1, 0. This is 1, 0, 0. This is 1, 0, 1. This is 1, 1, 1. And this is 1, 1, 0. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I think I'm right. Yes? So let's see. I will reduce the size of this window so that I can read. Okay. Now here convert this to its max term. Why? Because this is POS. This is not SOP. I'm not drawing the same thing again. Shaunak is saying to me, you are always right. Thank you, Shaunak. But maskabaji nahi chalega. Tell your brother not to disturb us. Okay. So here, okay. For POS, 0 is not A bar. 0 is A. So here we have A and here we have A bar. Check your last drawing where it was A bar and A. Now here it is not B bar, C bar. It is B plus C. Why? 0, 0. Okay, so 0 is here not B bar. Here 0 is B and the third 0 is C. And there is a plus sign in between because this is POS. This is product of sum. That's why. So here what it will be 0, 1. So 0 is B plus C bar. Here it is B bar plus C bar. Sorry, I'm not able to write properly, but I will try. Here it is 1, 0. 1, 0 matlab B bar plus C. Okay. So now this place is, this first place is, I will erase something and write. This place will be A plus B plus C. Clear? Now this place is A plus B plus C bar. This place is A plus B bar plus C bar. This is A plus B bar plus C. This whole K-map is given in the book as it is. I'm not doing something unique. It is clearly given. The only thing is you never come to know कि कहाँ से क्यों आया क्या आया. So that's why I'm explaining. Now here it becomes A bar plus BC. See, if you want to make the term, what will you take? Take A bar from here and take this term, this BC. So what the result is? A bar plus B plus C. Take B plus C bar here. A bar to hai hi, so A bar plus B plus C bar. Here B bar plus C bar. A bar anyway you have. So A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Do you realize 1, 1, 1 means not A B C, A dot B dot C nahi hai because this is not SOP. This is POS. So 1 means negative term. Here it is B bar plus C and A bar you bring from here. If you want to make these terms, what did I do? I took A from here and I took these terms. These terms are common. Okay. So now this is your 3 variable K-map of POS. Previous was the SOP. So you have now learned SOP and POS both. This is SOP and this is POS. Can you do it again, Madam Purvam Prajapati? Okay, I will do that again. Don't worry, Purvam, we have to see the 4 variable K-map also. So this is repetition. I'm going to repeat the whole thing again for 4 variable. Don't worry. Okay, and I'm changing the method. Now I know more. I want this small window, so I will go to that Word file. Don't worry. I will stop share. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I will share a screen where I have already made this file. Okay, see this. I'm going to do it again here. Don't worry. Nothing to worry. I'll repeat as many times as you will tell me because I want you to understand this concept. So now what I have done here is, see. What I have done here is, this is your K-map. 4 rows, 4 columns. This place I have kept because I want to write something here. That's why. So please understand, this is your color badlu na color rummy hai beech. What happened? This is not good. Background color. What is happening? I don't know how to. Chalo chodo. My coloring sense is also pathetic. No problem. We will write AB here. And we will write, see, AB is for this one. AB is on this side, here, these 4. And here it is CD. This is CD. Do you understand? The columns are CD. These are all 4 CDs. And these are all 4 ABs. Okay. So here, what is the place value? 0, 1, then 2, then 3. Now 4, 5, then 7, 6. Now there is a huge shock for you. 8, 9, 10. Gray code is working here. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. You will have to remember this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now come to the last row. 8, 9, 10, 11. You know, it is dancing kind of thing. Go here, come here. Go here, come here. Okay. So now convert this to its binary values. I hope you know binary value. Bhai. 0, 0, 1, 1. This is 0, 0, 1, 0. Come on, convert 6. I will go flow wise because I know in order only. Otherwise, I don't know. 4 ka binary form is 0, 1, 0, 0. Here. Bolo bhai. 0. Let me unmute you all. Where are all my participants? Chalo, manage participants. Unmute all. I don't know why I don't like you all.
0, 1, 0.
Mute. You know, it is very boring for me.
0, 1,
Like
0, 1.
the class to be noisy, in which I will have fun.
1 0
0, 1,
0
1.
0 1 1 0.
बराबर है ना? Check.
0 1 1 1.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Only one will speak here.
0 1 1 0.
Except Sauna call can speak. I have no problem.
Ma'am, but you like silent class.
Now the 10 will be 1.
1, 0, 1, 0.
0 and 0.
1-0.
And by
1 0 1 0.
8 and 4 is 1 0. See, I'm counting with the
1 0 1 0.
0
1
1
1 0 1
1101.
1 1 1 1
Bachawan.
Garba
1 1 1 0
state.
1110.
And here all
And
one.
that is all
That
one.
I know for sure. Yes. So this is how we make a 4 variable K-map. Now if you have realized, there is a term for this. This 0 0 0 0. This is SOP, huh? So it will be
A, B, C, D.
bar, B bar, C bar, D bar.
so basically here. Sorry.
All negative.
Here we have this row, huh? First row. Then here next row will be check.
A bar, B.
A bar, B.
Here it will
Then
be
A, B.
here it will be
A, B.
A, B bar.
A, B bar.
Do you realize everywhere it is same? Check this 1 0. Check this 1 0. Check this 1 0. Check this 1 0. Here check this 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 because it is coming from here. I hope that this is not very confusing. It is quite easy. The only thing is that you have not practiced, so you will feel like that. Don't worry, today you will get some questions to practice. Now tell me the
Very nice.
here C bar, T bar.
D bar.
Yes, here
C bar, D.
these last two terms are this. Check.
C bar D.
Everywhere C bar, D bar.
Yes.
Check, check, check. Now here it will be.
Then C bar D.
C bar, D.
C bar D.
Do you understand 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 everywhere? So
And C D.
C bar D.
Yes, yes.
थोड़ा बहुत तो आ गया. चलो better. Here
C, D.
And C D.
yes, smarties. Now you have become smart.
Then C D bar.
Yes. Please understand that all 4 combinations should be covered. C, D.
Yes.
Here it is C bar, D bar. Here C bar, D. Here C, D and C, D bar. If you have 2 variables, these are the only combinations that are possible. We understand. These are all min terms. Now, write these terms. Chalo. From here, what we will take? See, to make a term, it is very simple. A bar, B bar. Here, everywhere, A bar, B bar. Do you understand? I will write this. Chalo. I am also smart. Cut, copy, paste. Here A bar B. Here AB. I hope you all understand what I'm doing.
Yes.
Yes.
Not that I'm doing some, something on my own. I'm doing it because it should be like this only. Then what will be the next term? From where I will bring it?
C, D bar, C bar, D bar.
Here, same. Here, same. Now, do you understand?
C bar
थोड़ा
D.
इधर से आया, थोड़ा उधर से आया, and make a combination.
Yes, yes.
This is the easiest concept of your class 12. Easiest. And I'm not joking. You will realize it after few days when you will practice.
Madam, that ऊपर रह गया A bar, B bar के बाजू में.
Okay, later now because I have pasted this now. Okay. I hope that I'm not confusing you.
No.
Never confuse you, and you all know that.
No.
You all confuse me. Okay, so here we are with C. Chalo. So this is our 4 variable K-map for SOP or POS?
SOP.
SOP.
OP. someone is writing something. I don't know what is the chat. भाई जरूरी क्या है chat में? Nothing.
Shaunak only.
Shaunak only is Navra only. Okay, last 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes. So please be ready. The meeting can end because you know when I'm teaching, I don't understand that time is running. Okay, so now what I will do is I will make a POS for 4 variables. Exactly complement of each and everything you have to do. Let's take the whole thing from here. Control C, Control V. One thing if you have realized, I'm writing something here. So if it is SOP, the symbol will be this, summation or something that you call in math.
Yes.
And here they will
Yes.
give you the number where it has a plus sign, means where the number is active. We will see that later. You will have to have some patience here. So now here what will happen, you know exactly complement of everything. So A bar plus B bar will become A plus B.
B.
A bar plus B will become A plus B bar. AB will become A bar plus B bar. And A plus B bar will become A bar plus B. Everything you convert it to complement. That's it, simple. Don't use a lot of dimag yahan pe. Anyway, nobody of you is very keen to use that, but then also I will have to. You always believe in saving the magaj. Am I wrong? No, how can I be wrong? Okay, so this is done. Now, combination of these two, you know, A plus B, C plus D. So this will become what?
A plus B plus
B
C
plus
plus
C
D.
plus D.
Yes, the exact complement of the SOP term. Khatam. Everywhere.
वैसे ही याद कर सकते हैं मैडम, कॉम्प्लीमेंट है सिर्फ.
What happened?
SOP if we remember, and then the POS will be complement of
Tell
SOP.
me why to remember anything.
Oh.
You know how many boxes you require? 2 4s
Yes.
16.
8.
Why did I make only 16 boxes? Because there are 4 variables. 2 raised to 4 is 16. Now you know 0 to 15 number का गिनती आता है.
हाँ.
You place 0, 1, 2, 3. You know that dadin dinna. You know here. Then you convert those 0 zeros to the terms and add. See, this is my method. I never remember anything because my memory is so poor that the day I will depend on my memory, I will go nowhere. Except the name of my students, I cannot remember anything. Okay, so here we will apply this formula. First, make the boxes, then write the decimal number, then convert it to binary. Now, do you realize that here binary number is of 4 digits, but in 3, this, it was 3-digit number. Why? Tell me a reason. Here 7 is 111 and here 7 is 0111. Why?
Because it
we are
is
taking values
for
from
variable K
Because
map.
there were 3 variables only. So first 0 was for A, second 0 was for B, third 0 is for C. Here there are 4 variables. So first represents A, then B, then C and D. That's why always apply your mind. Okay. So this is how you will draw the SOP POS. But for solving a question, you will have to start now. This is common for all questions. Any question you get for 5 marks of SOP, you will draw this. Any question you get for POS, you will draw this. And then the game will start. So game abhi shuru hua hai. Why? Because in the question, you will have some numbers here. Let me write the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, then 6, then 14, and then 10, and then this is random numbers I'm taking. So, okay, so this is it. And let me take 13 and 9 also. So now what you will do? This is your question. We have 5 minutes. We can easily solve a question. The question is function of ABCD has this value. So from where will you understand कि SOP है या POS है? You will understand from this symbol. This is the symbol for SOP. This is summation. I hope that I'm not making something wrong statement. Math students, Purvam, Aryan, tell me this is symbol.
No, you are right.
Right.
This is summation.
Yes.
So whenever there is summation, you will make a SOP K-map. Please understand it makes a huge difference. SOP and POS are exactly opposite of each other. Don't get confused. But if the symbol is pi, then we will make this POS table. So now what to do? We have 4 minutes and I think we can easily do that. If we have...
Ma'am, you unmute first Twara, Purvam and Dhara, they are telling in chat box.
Okay.
Fun, thanks.
Okay, bhai, kya ho gaya? Unmute all. Chalo bolo.
Yes, done.
Me too.
Nothing like that.
All are
Glitch,
unmute,
man.
bolo.
It is a glitch.
No need.
What is it, bhai? Ramayana, Mahabharat, what is it?
No, still not started. 12 o'clock.
12 बजे चालू से
तो तुम्हारे घर में तो रामायण है ना? That I can hear that. Who has a question? Purvam, come. Ask.
No, like that.
Understood.
Just like the time pass चल रहा है. Huh?
We wanted to tell answer, that is why.
Tell answer.
Involvement, madam. We wanted to involve.
Okay. Oh, listen, I will have to draw this again. So wait. Someone is chatting. Bhai, chat come karo na.
Santa Claus.
So
Ignore
here,
him.
what we are going to do, let me do that. Whenever here there is a number 0, 1 and all, in that place you will place a 1. This 1. Now, which place has, which place is this?
1.
So 1 लिखने का. 2, 3. So I will copy paste it. Control C, Control V, and 0, 1, 2, 3. Then 6. Where is 6 number here? Then 14 and 10. Where is 14 here? Where is 10? Then 13 and 9. Where is 13 number? So this is your SOP's position. Position of the active number is this. Let me remove this so that you don't get confused, but we will have to write it again then. I cannot remove it. So here you have ones at how many places? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 places.
10.
Now to simplify, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, no, I can see 9 only. What 10?
9.
Now to simplify, the game starts from here. You will have to make 3 things. One is pair. Pair means a group of 2 ones. You can make a quad. Quad is 4 ones. And octet. Octet is a group of 8 ones. But there are some rules. The rules are that you have to take continuous terms. Ye 4 hai, so make it a quad. These 4, make it a quad. These 2, make it a pair. But if we have 1 here and 1 here, this one, this 4 number is 1 and this 13 number is 1. So I cannot take like this. Diagonal mein we cannot take. There are some rules. They should be in straight line, either vertically, horizontally. There are many rules in the book. I want
The
you
meeting
to
is
read
going to
it.
end.
We have less than 1 minute, so we will continue this with next week. I will solve a question now. Till then, I want you to draw 2 variable, 3 variable and 4 variable K-maps, this structure of K-map. The table you will have to draw at home and read the textbook so that we can start the, Saunak is me, bye. Saunak, you come. Where is Saunak? Virtually, I cannot beat someone.
No.
Okay, I will download an app through which I can give a slap to Saunak virtually like this.